Tim Watkins, Tevis Energy's fuel procurement and environmental manager, is the master technician behind fuel quality. They only purchase from reputable suppliers and take meticulous measures to ensure the cleanliness and quality in their fuel. Team members are routinely taught about fuel quality and how important it is to the environment and extending life to our customers' equipment. Tevis Energy uses EcoPlus, an additive to maintain water dispersant, to kill bacteria and prevent tank bottom sediment, also known as sludge, from developing in the heating oil. Tevis Energy takes pride in providing clean and quality fuel to the customers that they serve. Because of the process Tevis Energy maintains, their heating oil passes and exceeds Maryland's environmental emissions requirement of 15 parts per million by having only 7 parts per million. The best part, quality fuel means with the routine maintenance, a customer's equipment will work more efficiently. The company culture has a very family feel to it. Throughout all the divisions, everyone works for one common goal, which is to better serve the customer. Tevis employees train year-round for extreme weather events and occurrences that could impact full delivery to their customers. This training becomes crucial and is put to the test during extreme weather conditions. An example of this is the polar vortex in January of 2018, when many companies turned off their phones instead of answering calls, leaving customers in the cold by their supplier. At Tevis, they never turn their phones off. In fact, our senior managers, including our owner Jack, join customer service and answer the phone calls. My time here at Tevis Energy has been amazing. I've learned so much about the fuel and energy industry and the positive impact that Tevis Energy gives to their customers. Thank you, Tevis Energy, for this opportunity. I'm Morgan, and I am Tevis Energy.